Our growing digital world needs more computing power. Traditional data centers consume valuable land. Relocating them beneath the ocean restores cities. Construction begins with detailed seabed surveys. Reinforced foundations and structural steel frames are securely installed on the ocean floor. Each server module is sealed inside a pressure-resistant steel vessel. Dry nitrogen protects electronics, while internal cooling systems transfer heat to external seawater exchangers. After extensive testing confirms reliable operation, outdated land-based facilities are safely removed, freeing valuable urban space. The completed modules are carefully deployed onto the seabed, connected to renewable power, high-speed fiber networks, and passive seawater cooling. By moving digital infrastructure beneath the ocean, cities gain more green space, while advanced engineering delivers efficient, sustainable computing for the future. Freed from industrial infrastructure, the city transforms into a greener, healthier place, with parks, trees, and spaces designed for people.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Imagine TV. Don't forget to hit that bell icon and follow our handle. Thank you for watching.